Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Slack with Notion. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to notion.so. Make sure you log in your account as well and you have prepared your timeline and your workboard. Once you're here, go to Settings and Members. Once you're here, go to My Connections. When you are in My Connections, click on Show All. Then, find Slack and then hit Connect. Now wait for the website to load. Google Chrome is still authenticating your action, so you have to wait for a few seconds. Now once the website loads, you will see that Slack will now be connecting. In here, all you have to do is sign into your workspace. Once done, just click on Continue. Now you can close it. And that's it. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.